Rich by popular demand.
The wait is over, homie.
Yes, it is. A-Town
Know
Connect.
the city gon' feel this.
Damn right.
Say two, I know you see me. Chris,
What up, boy?
I know both our pops looking at us.
I used to dream.
Wayne Bridges, what
About
up?
the money and the cars and girls.
Let's go.
But now I see.
Big Phil, we made this shit happen, homie.
History in the
Top
making.
of the world. The whole world. And now I
Hey.
sing, sing, sing. Cause I'm sitting on top of the world.
Mama, I did
Now I
it.
sing, sing, sing. Cause I'm sitting on top of the world.
Hey, man, I remember before I say that, wait, let me issue this statement. No way should reflection be mistaken for glorification. Now, I remember so vivid, me and my niggas was living substandard condition, still handling business, still laughing and tripping, still having the bitches. I'm rapping now, reminiscing, and goddamn it, we did it. From trapping, standing and pitching with bricks, we stand in the kitchen, splitting it 8 ways, flipping it 8 days. Thought the wild and unruly was just the way to behave. Kept away in the yay, but most of the paper we made in all dimes. I ain't lying, the pleasure was all mine. Had big work to move, but we served the small time. Always outshine the niggas with small minds. Who'da thought we'd be arguably the greatest of all time round here? We developed such a sound down here, been duplicated off the steel, can only be found here. Only listen to G's, that other shit I don't hear. Shit, they so far in the rear, why would I even care? I'm too busy being a player, steering niggas' careers. Been talking about it for years, and now we finally here.
I used to dream. About the money and the cars and girls. But now I see. Because I'm sitting on top of the world. And now I see.
my heart on this.
Because I'm sitting on top of the world.
True story. Rest in peace, Wayne Bridges. They say what goes up must come down, but I ain't reached my cruising altitude. Take a look at what I did, but can you imagine what I'm about to do? The places I'm about to go and the money I'm about to see. Gave Bill Gates some binoculars and said, look out for me. Exceeded expectations, even the Def Jam, cause I married the streets and Atlanta has been my best man. My mama quit a job and now she works with 6 figures, cause I'm a self-made, nappy-headed rich nigga. Private planes help me travel in peace to 4 cities in 1 day and 4 countries in 1 week. Cause I work for myself and no one else, cause I'm too smart to put one of my partners right through culinary art school. Now he my personal chef, so that bread he get it. Put them all in houses, cleaned up all of my friends' credit. And now they witness all the glitz and the glamour. Catch us eating it straight to Atlanta with women with table manners. Ordering Singapore and lobster. Celebrating coming from nothing to winning Grammys and rappers winning Oscars, yeah. And they say rappers shouldn't act, nah, suckers. We see Samuel Jackson like, what's up, motherfucker?
I used to dream. About the money and the cars and girls. But now I see. Because I'm sitting on top of the world. And now I see. Cause I'm sitting on top of the world. And now I see. Cause I'm sitting on top of the world.
Hey, I know them haters don't stop plotting and wishing we fall, cause I'm standing on top looking down at it all. Know from down there to y'all, it seem like I got it all. Homie, I ain't get enough, I'm still trying to triple up. That's why we got street cred out a cool building up. Say I'm doing too much shit, I say I ain't did enough. Remember saying, damn, if I could just get to 1 million plus. And now I'm like, shit, what the fuck is $1 million bucks? Triple that on my bond, thanks to Biggs and Run. But never mind what I've been through, just look at what I've become. All the shit I've avoided, what I done for my sons, handdaughters and mama, just call her. I sold dope and dropped out of school, seems it's all they can see. They don't notice none of my family did that since me. I broke that cycle, now my family live a life of mandatory minimums, but not when the judge sentenced them. Cousins in college, where you think they get tuition from? Jeffrey standing around wishing, huh? Hey, why you standing around looking dumb? I make it happen, taking action over time, goddamn good at it.
I used to dream. About the money and the